The most horrible day of my life involves a passage of my life where I was on the verge of losing my family. My family means the whole world to me, and when we met with this unfortunate accident, I felt my world collapsing around me. It was in December 2010 when we had a long weekend holiday and planned to drive to the nearest hill station. Those 2 days were full of fun, but we did not even have a hint that these fun days are soon going to turn into a bloody nightmare. While we were routing back to Delhi, it was nearly 11 p.m. and densely fogged. All of a sudden, we saw a big truck coming from the opposite direction, and it hit our car so badly that it got smashed from the both ends and tumbled all over twice. Soon after, I could overhear the loud crying noise of family members, and the broken pieces of the front glass were spread all over. The worst thing that could have happened more was that the doors got locked from inside, and we could not make an easy exit. Thereafter, we saw local residents rushing towards our car. We were really very anxious at that moment, but these residents torn off the window glasses and helped us move out from the crushed car. We all have had minor physical damages, but our lives were saved, and that was indeed relieving. But this whole incident still wanders around like a haunting thought in my mind all the time.